Hi everyone and welcome back to our YouTube channel. Need to download an invoice from your GoDaddy account? Whether it's for tracking expenses or tax purpose, I'll show you how to find it and download it in just a few simple steps. So let's get started. First, you have to head over to www.godaddy.com from your web browser and make sure that you are logged into your account. And once you have landed on the homepage of the godaddy.com, after that, you have to click on the Your Profile option, which is located at the top right corner of the screen between the Cart and the Help option. So simply click on it. From here, you can see an option of Renewal and Billing, which is under the Account option. So click on it. From there, you will be redirected to this page where you can see all your subscription as well as order history and payment method. Currently, I have no subscription, so it is showing me this option, but as you can see on the picture, all your subscription will be listed over here. And from there, if you want to download the invoice, you have to click on order history, and from here click on the transaction of which you want to download the invoice. On the order detail page, look for the option to download the invoice as a PDF. Simply click the download invoice button and the file will be saved onto your phone. Once the file is downloaded, you can open it to verify the details. It will include all the necessary information like the transaction date, amount and services purchased. And that's it. Now you know how to download your GoDaddy invoice quickly and easily. And if you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel, and also comment down if you have any query. Thanks for watching and we'll see you in the next video.